part of the Megaminx tutorial. The first step is to solve any side, but I prefer white. So we need to get all of the middle pieces so it kind of is in the shape of a star. So you have them in all these places right here. So I'm going to start on the side, and you see that you need a white yellow piece. So I'm going to look, and the white yellow piece is actually right here. See? So we're going to rotate the cube up so that it's almost exactly in line where it needs to go. And then we're going to rotate the cube, the face, once. Bring this down. Rotate it back. Now you can see it's on the bottom and it's lined up. The yellow is lined up. Now we just have to line up the white. So we're going to rotate this twice. And you have it lined up. And we're going to do that with all the other pieces. Okay, now that we have the star, we need to get the corner pieces in. It looks like I already have one in because it's matched up with their colors. You have purple on purple, green on green, and white on white. So next corner I'm going to look for is the green and red. So I can see that it is actually right here. So it is almost in line. It needs to go right here. Let's go right here. So what I'm going to do is rotate it back once. Move this forward, move this out of the way, bring this back down so you have the star completed, and then we can put the corner in. So now since it's right here, we're going to bring this side down, move this one over so it lines up with their colors, and bring it up, and now we have it all lined up. So now we have to do that with all the other corners. Okay, so now that we have the white side solved, we're going to solve the second layer, which is getting these pieces in. So what we're going to do is I'm going to look for the red and the green middle piece. So it looks like this right here. So I'm going to rotate it over. And what you want to do is you want to line it up, green on green, and then hold the cube like this, and then do this algorithm. Over, up, over, down, over, front, over, down. Now you see you have the pieces in. So now you're going to do that on every single one. Make sure when you're lining up these pieces that you don't have, like, say purple, you're trying to get the purple piece in and the yellow, and you have this leaning more towards the blue side. You want it leaning more towards the purple side. So in order to do that, you're going to move it over like this, and this, it's not yellow, so you're going to have to move it again over to the purple, and you have the yellow leaning towards the yellow side. First and second layer solved.